Good morning everyone, and in today's video, the most affordable flip smartphone in the world. Nubia Flip 5G with a beautiful box. This device came from TridentZ without any additional cost. Link in the description, a discount code for you, pause the video if you want to read it, but I have additional discount code for you in the description. Let's unbox it. What a smell! I think they're perfuming those smartphones. There's no... Beautiful. The device itself. Well, it looks like a camera. It's not a camera, that's the screen. But I think someday we will have such a huge cameras in the smartphones. Charger. But you can see this is a Chinese end. In the box is a converter. This is a European converter. If you live in UK or US, you will get the compatible converter. Quickly, nicely. There you go. There you go. All right. What else are we going to find? A cable, USB Type-C cable. All right. Let's put it aside. And what's that? Okay. Oh, wow. A lot of stuff. Whoops. That's the case. That's SIM card tool. Funky SIM card tool. Alright. Not sure why it's in the bag. And paperwork. There you go. And the case, which is in two pieces. Of course, a black version. Oh, it's tight! In close-up is very, very shiny. On the right side, we do have antenna, power button, which is on red, volume button, another antenna, microphone, two antennas, SIM card tray, three antennas on the left, two additional antennas at the bottom, microphone and a speaker. There's also a speaker at the top above the camera. That is cool, but you know what's even cooler? Beautiful inside screen. Wow. That's really beautiful. Do you see any band in the middle, curved? You don't. That's how insane is that? I have to tap it twice and then, yeah, go with the beautiful wallpapers. Amazing. 120 hertz. That is extremely smooth, super smooth. If you hit display, we do have a dark mode, reading mode, night mode, and 120 fixed, or 90, 60 on auto. I prefer 120. It will drain a little bit more battery, but it is very nice. Auto screen rotation, display, blur, and more. This is just an unboxing. So there you go. What about brightness? How bright it is? That is very, very bright. And the case. And the top one, I think it will be this way. And that is tight. The question is, it's still very little slippery without the case, but with a case, it's even better. Is it going to protect your screen? Yes, it will. And the cameras, of course. And it will go. Is it going to protect the main screen? On the top, yes. I think only on the top. For example, this is a razor which is twice more expensive, twice maximum brightness. And you can see they both basically when at the same brightness. They both super extremely quick. Wow. Do you see any difference in the screens? We do have tons and tons of wallpapers. Beautiful. Wow. Wallpapers. Okay. Can we hit more? Oh, I like this one. Pastel wallpapers. They are super cool. If we hit this one, lock. Super quick. Camera. And in the camera department, let me hit selfie. Wow, there you go, there you go. We need some subject for the camera. We do have a different menu, because usually it's like more and a couple of icons. This is a bit different, more graphic. For the sky, for the slow motion, for the time-lapse, ID, photo, monocle, but all of this will be in the camera review. I will make a separate video just for the camera. All right, pro photo. Let's take a photo. Bam! I like the sound. That is very, very nice. All right, video and portrait, of course. Portrait, but portrait needs to be. There you go. Nice. If you want to make a portrait from the outside screen, there's such a possibility. You can record, cutting the steps, all kinds of stuff. Hitting the camera, you can do photo or you can do portrait if you. Then it's wider. Then tap the screen, and there you go. That is also super cool. We can also do video, can we? I think we can. Portrait, video, yes, we can record just like that, and it starts recording. How quick that is. Also, there's a function like in a camcorder. There's a slider on the side, and you can control zoom as a camcorder. If you hit this button, and the front screen will be on. All right, let me show you some samples for photo and video. This device can record all the way to 4K 30 frames per second. With the main lens, we do have autofocus, which is very, very impressive. If you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. And you can see yourself in the outside screen. That is super cool. And from the front-facing camera, Full HD, 30 frames per second, also very nice. There is no autofocus, but it is very, very wide. I like that. We do have zoom.
There's a star. Time it was the lights were low. Back on my radio. Some cat was laying down some rock and roll. That is so he said. He thinks he blow our minds. There's a star waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile eternity.
Conclusion, price to performance is just mind-blowing. I didn't have too much expectation, but that is something which I didn't expect. Such a quality for half the price. The only drawback is that front screen, which is small and it looks like a window on the airplane. But still kind of usable. Well, compared to the Ultra flagship, which has a huge, beautiful screen, but twice more expensive. So as a gift to your girlfriend, to your child, to your sister, that is unlock. Beautiful. Link in the description with additional discount code for you, and you will be satisfied. No additional cost. That's all I have for now. See you next video. Bye.